Are you ready to elevate your solar installations? This Solar Essentials kit provides the reliability and efficiency you'll need for any of your solar projects. Hi there, Paul here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Now, are you ready to power up your solar projects with ease and precision? Introducing the Jonard Tools Solar Essentials Kit, your ultimate companion for efficient solar panel installation and maintenance, part number TK-96. The TK-96 kit includes everything you need for optimal solar panel upkeep. Let's dive into the tools that make this kit a must-have. Our solar panel crimper with included MC4 die, designed to crimp MC4 connectors onto 14, 12, or 10 gauge solar panel wire. A heavy-duty utility knife made of a zinc alloy die-cast housing, which has storage capacity inside for up to 3 extra blades. A pair of heavy-duty wire stripping pliers for 10 to 16 gauge wire. A 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver with Phillips and slotted bits. This one tool can be configured for number 1 and number 2 Phillips head, a 9/32 and 3/16 cabinet slotted head, and 5/16 and 1/4 nut driver heads. A cabinet slotted screwdriver for 1/8 slotted screws. It's made of heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a black oxide finish and is insulated to keep you safe from hazardous voltages. And lastly, a rugged carrying case made from a heavy-duty polyester material for durability and long life. So, are you ready to elevate your solar installations? This Solar Essentials kit provides the reliability and efficiency you'll need for any of your solar projects. The Jonard Tools TK-96, where precision meets performance. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.